bass player up, y'all. Can I do that? Please put your hands together for my man, P.H. Parker Hawkins. How can I do it? We're gonna do this one. This one is called Working Ball Blues, y'all. That's right. Sometimes I gotta do what I gotta do, huh? You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh? Every damn day, the roosters are crowing, y'all. I'm already going, hey. My horses are begging, the cows is in my face. All my eggs done cooking, waiting on my plate. I got the blues in the city with blood on my feet. I don't have time to waste, y'all. I got the working for me. In the room, y'all, in the lovely bud in. The damn old roosters are trying to get it in. The horny old heads gonna be the different. My roosters always find a way to get what they need. I got the blues in the city with blood on my feet. I don't have time to waste, y'all. I got the work in for me. Country air. The wide open spaces make you disappear. The lonely old nights, just like for me. I sit back in my rocking chair and ride up the sea. I got the blues in the city with all of my boots. I don't have time to waste, y'all. I got no work anymore. I don't have time to waste, y'all. I got the working for blues. Working for blues. Ladies and gentlemen, you've been listening to Piper in the Hard Times. We thank y'all so much. Good night, y'all.